So, besides the regular school supplies every student needs, calendar, planner, paper, pens, pencils, notebooks, binders, and so on, there are college students in the mix as well, and they need the more high-end items to take with them to college or to an apartment. So for our top 21 items video, we are focusing on that particular audience and what you should have in your store in order to make a profit during the back to school month, which is August. Let's jump into it. All right, guys, so item number 21 is area rug. Sales earnings are at $22,000 in the last 30 days. Average product price is $28. Scrolling down to the product list. Now, these are great items to have for dorm rooms or apartments, so this is why I suggest to have it in your store. An area rug such as this is, I think, perfect item, as well as this one here. It comes in a variety of colors. They're warm. I feel like these are types of items that will sell. At number 20, we have a first aid kit. Every college student, every student needs to have a first aid kit. You can see the sales earnings are over $23,000 in the last 30 days. Average product price, $26. Scrolling down, there are many different types of first aid kits. I have mentioned these types of items in our top item videos before. And like I mentioned then, I'm going to mention again now. It is very important to do your research when it comes to first aid kits and make sure that they are up to date if you were to sell them in your store. At item number 19, we have storage bins. Now, this is a great item to have year-round. They're great for dorm rooms, apartments, homes, and so on. Great sales earnings in the last 30 days. Average product price is $31. They do come in cloth type material. Some are plastic. Some have lids. Some are refrigerator use storage bins. And then this is a storage bin for outdoor furniture and the pads that go onto that furniture. But when I say storage bins, I do suggest something like this that is clear, see-through, gender neutral, maybe a couple with some lids. And then, of course, some of these cloth ones are good as well. At number 18, we have a shaving kit. Now, this is great for the guys that are going off to school. So the sales earnings are over $25,000. Average product price is $16. And then when you scroll down, you have a couple of these. When I say shaving kit, I mean something a little bit more on this side. You can see this particular item is selling for $16.19. It's a professional hair clippers, trimmers, shaving machine, beard cutting, cordless. And this is something that I suggest. Make sure it's not a Vero item when using a brand. And then next on our list is closet organizer. You can see the sales earnings are over $26,000. Average product price is $27. Successful listings is at 71%. Now, closet organizers can be many different things. They can be bins again, and then you have these cloth closets, which also do come in handy for the college students because they are never in one place for too long. And these are just easier to carry around and set up and assemble and all of this stuff. So you can see that this particular item is being sold by a drop shipper at $34.99. Next on our list is laptop stand. Now, this is just one item that I have under many items for laptop and computer accessories. So I highly suggest to do your research when it comes to laptop accessories. There are really good items. So laptop stand made over $27,000 in the last 30 days. Average product price is $20. Now you can see this when I say laptop stand, this is what I mean, just to have on your lap, on your bed, on your desk, so your laptop doesn't get overheated. And it's very, very convenient for college students due to the fact that they don't always have enough room to have this huge desk. So sometimes just having this on your lap, sitting in your bed, is a convenience for them. At number 15, we have a bedside table. Now, this is an item that I put into the list because a lot of college dorms don't have that much room, but bedside tables tend to be a little bit smaller. So if you can squeeze it in somewhere, that's great. And this is why I suggest to have it in your store. Again, you can see the sales earnings are over $33,000. Average product price is $49 and successful listings is at 77%. Now here you have some of these bedside tables. When I say this is what I mean. These are very convenient for college students. Also, they can look like this with some LED lights, and then you have some bedside table lamps. So this is also a good idea to have in your store as well. And next on our list is a thermometer. Again, this goes with the first aid kit, but this is super important for college students. I suggest you have it in this type of category in your store because a lot of students don't know that they need it, but they do. So we have the sales earnings of $35,000. The average product price is $9 and successful listings is at 76%. Here you have a thermometer. Oh, this is also a good idea. Thermometer humidity meter. It's a mini LCD digital. So it's a great item to have in your store. This is something that a lot of college students do also need. Next on our list is hangers. You can see the sales earnings are over $36,000. Successful listings at 83%. Average product price is $15. You can see the first item here is an adult hanger, long lasting, shirt hanger, black. It's being sold by a drop shipper for $4.58. All right, so now we're getting to the good stuff. Here we have a mini refrigerator. You can see the sales earnings are over $51,000. Average product price is $93 and successful listings is at 63%. Now, when you scroll down to the product list, make sure you get all of the information from your supplier because there are mini refrigerators being sold for doll houses, and that's not something that you want to buy. So you actually want to go and gather all of the information. Mini fridge, warmer, portable, compact, $55 here. You can see this one here is repeating, making good sales, but this is for makeup, I think. It's a compact cooler for, you can see that there's makeup and all that stuff in there. This is a good one here. It's a stainless steel mini fridge selling for $116. This one is being sold by a drop shipper and you can put 6 cans in there. It's a 6-can cooler mini fridge, $38. And then these are the refrigerators that I am referring to when our audience is college students. And of course, you can see that they're a little bit more on the high end because of their prices. All right, next is pillows. We have the sales earnings of over $58,000. Average product price is $21 and successful listings is at 80%. Here you can have a variety of different colors, sizes, whatever you choose to put in your store. Just make sure they are not Vero items. And at number 10, we have curtains. You can see the sales earnings are over $74,000. Average product price is $13 and successful listings is at 95%. Curtains are good for the summer and winter seasons, so I highly suggest to have this in your store. There are blackout curtains, there are sheer curtains, so this is all up to you. I feel like gender neutral curtains and blackout curtains are something that you need in your store under the category if you were to make one. Back to school, college edition, or something along those lines. Hey guys, if you're liking this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get updates on all of our top items, videos, and many more. All right, at number 9, we have bed comforter. You can see the sales earnings in the last 30 days are over $82,000 and the average product price is $20. Now, when you scroll down to the product list, here you have a 4-piece bed sheet set, hotel luxury, and it's selling for $9.99. And if we were to open this on eBay, I'm sure the prices will change depending on the size of the pieces or the sheets that we select. Next, we have towels. Sales earnings for towels is at $77,000 in the last 30 days. Average product price is $22 and successful listings is 88%. Now, towels, you can do beach towels, you can do small, large towels, different colors. Great item to have. This particular item here is being sold by a drop shipper, extra large bath towels for $28.50. Then you have some beach towels. Great items. You can't go wrong with these. Another great item is this particular towel here. These are great for picnics, for beach, swimming. It's a microfiber towel and it's quick dry. So whatever you choose, you can use it for travel, yoga, gym. It's absorbent. It's easy to take care of, easy to clean. It's being sold by a drop shipper here for $7.95. 87 sold in the last 30 days, 354 lifetime sales. Next, we have air fryer, which is an amazing item to have. The sales earnings in the last 30 days are over $86,000. Average product price is $61 and successful listings is at 71%. Now, there are different types of air fryers. There's this type like an oven sort of air fryer. And then you have this all closed in. So again, just do your research. This one here is selling the most. As you can see, 154 sold in the last 30 days. But this seller here has a huge feedback score. But then we can go ahead and find a seller with a little bit less of a feedback score, selling an air fryer such as this particular one here. It's selling for $49.99. We have this particular seller here, also low feedback score, selling this particular item 33 times in the last 30 days, 36 lifetime sales at $63.68. Now we have a portable vacuum. Sales earnings are over $96,000. Average product price is $47 and successful listings is at 84%. All right, so these portable vacuum cleaners do come in different sizes and they all have their particular, let's say, uses. So the first one here is this new Dirt Devil Power Express Compact Upright Vacuum Cleaner, and it's being sold by a drop shipper with a really good feedback score. It sold 142 times in the last 30 days, 162 lifetime sales for $49.99. We have item number 2 also being sold by a drop shipper at $27.99. This particular item sold 7,529 times. That's amazing. Third item here also being sold by a drop shipper. You can see that these two items are pretty similar, not exactly the same, but same concept. And then you can scroll through the product list, check out what else is being sold and for how much, what's most popular, and put it in your store under college edition. Next, we have air purifier, which makes sense to have in this list. Those college dorms do tend to get a little bit stuffy and small, or even apartments. So this is a great item to have in your store. The sales earnings are over $124,000. In the last 30 days, the average product price is $55 and successful listing is at 77%. Air purifiers do come in different sizes. There's large ones, there's small ones, there's desktop ones. So this is just something that you will have to do your research on. And I highly suggest you take the time to do so. And then of course we have LED lights, which are in trend right now with the younger generation. Great sales earnings, successful listings, average product price. Now I'm sure you by now have LED lights in your store already. Just transfer them over to Back to School College Edition and I'm sure you will get even more sales. Making our way slowly down the list, we have bed sheets, which of course are super important for any college student. Here you can see amazing stats. And then when you scroll down to the product list, again, it's kind of the same as the bed comforter, except for bed sheets do come in sets and they have different sizes. So again, this is something that you will have to do your research on. And then we have a desk chair, which of course makes sense. Great statistics here with the sales earnings, average product price, successful listings, great trend graph. And then the number one item here is being sold by a drop shipper. Now this drop shipper does have an amazing feedback score, but it's just something to look into. You have 109 of these sold in the last 30 days, 555 lifetime sales at $51.58. And then, of course, we have fan. With a fan, you can also add room heater or any type of heater because fans are good in the summer months. Heaters are good in the winter months. So again, there's another bonus item to have, but let's look at fan. At this moment, you can see amazing sales earnings in the last 30 days, average product price, and successful listings. Now, this type of item does have amazing stats now due to the fact that we are in the summer season. But again, this is a great item to have in your back to school college edition section of your store. Now, we did have fans in our previous video. You can see that there are those around the neck fans. You can look for room fans such as this. This is a great item. It's $29.48. Great item to have. Easy. This also as well. It's a handy fan pocket size air cooler being sold by a drop shipper at $6.99, 211 sold in the last 30 days, 369 lifetime sales. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Have a good one, and I will see you next time.